So welcome back to my channel Math Brain, and today we have a really interesting challenge, and I give 99% that you solve this question absolutely wrong, because a lot of students might be saying, okay, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. Division, we have all the time division, so it looks like the easiest challenge. We have 4, so it's not that hard. But a lot of students, in the same way, a lot of students solve this question absolutely wrong, because they say that correct answer is one of these A, B, and C. But right now I don't want to tell that this is what is the correct answer, what is incorrect answer. I want you to look at this first interpretation. So a lot of students solve this question like that. We have 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 and divided by 4. So here is our challenge. And if you look closely, we have on the left hand side we have 4 divided by 4, so we have division, and we have absolutely the same division on the right hand side. So for right here we have 1, obviously, yeah, because 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, and 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 also, with this division in the middle, because we still have this division, equal to 1. And yeah, we have this option. This is option A. And a lot of students solve this question like that. They say, Mr. Okay, 1 is obviously a correct answer. I solved it absolutely correct. Same expression, we divide this one by this one, so the correct answer is option A. But then I explain them, okay, you should know what is the correct order to do this problem. You should know what is the correct property, correct rule. It's not works only in math like that. You should also know what is the correct property, correct rule, correct definition in terms of biology, chemistry, doesn't matter what science, but you should know what is the correct order to do this problem in terms of math, okay? Because right here, obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? But in terms of math, it's really bad thing to have like 2 answers. It's really weird. It's really bad thing when you write this test and the answer is A and B. It's really weird. So, you should know what is one and only one correct answer, okay? So for this second interpretation, I want to write the second interpretation right here, and in this second interpretation I will solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. Okay, this is our challenge. Yeah, and I'm going to solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. So this PEMDAS order of operation works from the top to the bottom. So parentheses has the highest priority, then we have exponent, then we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. Okay, so right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. As I told before, we have only division sign, so we forget about these parentheses, forget about this exponent, multiplication, addition, subtraction. We have only division group. But what is the correct order to do this problem according to PEMDAS order of operation? What is the correct order to do this problem? If you're talking about PEMDAS, you should write right here left hand side, right hand side, if you don't know about it, and you should scan what is the first sign from left to right. Of course, right here left hand side, so the first sign from left to right is this division. So 4 divided by 4, this is our first step, equal to 1. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. And right now we don't want to divide on the right hand side. We want to rewrite this challenge once more, and of course we should scan what is the first sign from left to right once more. The first sign from left to right, it's not this division as before, okay, as we solved it before. Right now we should scan, we have only 2 signs, so the first sign from left to right, obviously this is this division. So 1 divided by 4, let's write it as 0.25. We can do this, but let's write it as a fraction, so 1 over 4, and let's divide this 1/4 over 4. Okay, so as a result, what do we have right here? 1 over 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 over 16. This is option C. So obviously right here we have 2 solutions, and here is the main question: what is the correct order to do this problem? Because a lot of students arguing with each other. One part of students tell that correct answer is A, another part of students tell correct answer is 1 over 16, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students arguing with each other what is the correct answer. And here's my explanation. Let's look at this first interpretation. We have right here division, and we jump right here, but is it correct or not correct? This is absolutely incorrect, because we can't jump wherever we want, we can't do whatever we want. Of course, if we have brackets, if we have parentheses right here, we can easily do this, because right here we have division right here, which is our first step, so parentheses has the highest priority, yeah? So then you can easily parentheses, then this parenthesis, which is absolutely correct. So 1 is a correct answer, but with parentheses. What about our expression? We don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A. This is really bad mistake in terms of math. Let's look at this explanation. This is a great solution because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. We just go from left to right, division, 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 from left to right, step by step, and we didn't jump from wherever we want, like right here, so we solved it in a strict order from left from left to right. So you can easily check this answer in your scientific or graphing calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that that type of calculator works with problem as you type it in. So try to find the calculator where you can plug in the whole problem. So it doesn't matter it's complicated problem or easy problem, try to find calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then the calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation, which is really great. So let's write our answer to this challenge. So our answer, this is option C, a correct answer to this challenge. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day.